Greetings, this is Earthman from earthmansoil.com. God bless you this day. Thank you for watching this video. And let's get right to the point. This is the paper towel. All right, got my magnifying glass there. And then you got soil. And we were trying to see which one would be germinated faster, the seeds that were in the soil or the seeds on the paper, in the paper towel. So once again, I took a paper towel, I moistened it with a little seaweed extract. Actually, I did it with our product at Earthman Soil, Kabloom, which does have seaweed extract and other biostimulants. And it wasn't really soaked. I mean, I wringed it out a little bit and then put it in a plastic bag. And then I sprayed these down, moistened the soil, inoculated, all that. And then I put seeds in here, and we wanted to see which one would pop first, and so we have a winner, and it is soil. Okay, so as you can see, that's the first one that's come up. Got this one over here that's popped up, but it's kind of like, because I had it in a dark closet, it stretched, and that's what happens. But I got one here. So, yep, so soil one. And so I wanted to do that report. It's a follow-up. And then, and I'll do probably another, a couple more videos. We'll follow the progress of the parsley as we go. I'm going to plant some more, too, down the road. That way we got lots of parsley throughout the summer. So, paper towel, loser. Soil, winner. That's it. May God bless you.